Hey friends, this is Maureen with His Girls Designs. Welcome to my page where I like to bring you easy to make home decor items that are budget friendly, beautiful, and always with a touch of elegance. And today I'm going to be bringing you this Mickey Mouse ear pumpkin. From the Dollar Tree I purchased this wooden pumpkin stand that I believe is from Natcams. And using some orange acrylic paint, I'm going to be painting the front, the back, and the inside as well. And once it is fully painted, I'm going to be putting it to the side and taking out this laser cut wooden word that I also purchased at the Dollar Tree, and it spells out boo. And now, just to give you the heads up, wanted to let you know that this is going to be a two-sided project. So it's going to be having one design on one side, and on the other side is going to be just a little bit different. And now we're going to be putting that to the side to allow it to dry. I'm also going to be taking two wooden circles that I'm going to be using them to create the ears for this Mickey Mouse little pumpkin. Now I found this candy corn fabric at the Dollar Tree and I thought it was perfect for this little Halloween project. So I'm going to be cutting a strip and using my wood glue, I'm going to be spreading that on the circle with my brush and making sure that my fabric is fully attached to the circle. We're going to be attaching the fabric on both sides. Now, making sure that we press down on that fabric to avoid any bubbles, we're going to be cutting out or cutting around the circles, and we're going to be repeating the same steps with the other circle. Now remember, there are two circle rounds for each side of the ear, so you're going to be repeating the same steps I'm showing you twice. And now next, I'm going to be using the mixture of wood glue and hot glue beside each other, and to make sure that my ears are going to be attached permanently by using the instant glue, which is my hot glue, and the permanent glue, which is going to be my wood glue. And now that is starting to look so cutie patootie, we're going to be adding a few more little details to the front or to the stem of the pumpkin. We're going to be putting some little twigs and little leaves, and we're going to finish it off with a cute little ribbon. It's going to be just a very simple bow. And as I continue this project, I hope that you're liking this. And if you are, I do appreciate you. Let me know by giving me a thumbs up, or even better, by letting me know in the comments. Also, wanted to let you know that this is a completely free tutorial, a free channel. So you're welcome to subscribe. It will make my day if you do by helping me grow this channel. Now, if you are on Facebook, you can find me also on Facebook. I create live tutorials there, and you could also come and chit chat with me in a live version. Now, you're also welcome to join me on Instagram as well on Pinterest for lots more inspirational ideas. All right, this is your time to press that like button because this is turning out too cute. Isn't that adorable? All right, now don't forget we have another side to make, so let's get working on that. Now, on what I consider the back side, we're going to just attach the word boo to that. Now, I wish that I had some googly eyes and I would have put it on the two O's on there. I think that would have been really, really cute, but I don't have any. So just giving you that idea. I did purchase that boo word at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I already mentioned that. And gosh, you guys, I apologize for my voice is a little in and out, but it's been having a cold and trying to get a little better from that. Now we're going to finish this project up by just adding a teeny little light in the center. Isn't that the cutest little thing, you guys? I hope you liked it. Let me know, and I hope you enjoy. Adios.